Guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the best way to mix onion juice and coffee for best result and faster hair growth. So this size of onion I'll be making use of 1 medium size of onion. So I will peel it. I'll peel off the skin. After peeling off the skin, I will wash it before I move to the next step. So incorporating onion juice and coffee will help you to grow your hair faster. If you really want to grow your hair before ending of this 2024, try this recipe. You're going to see great results. After washing it, so I will use my grater to grate it. I don't want to use blender because if I use blender to do this, I will be tempted to add a little water on it. I need pure onion juice. So if you want to make use of your blender, feel free to make use of your blender. Just dice it in a small sizes, add a little water and blend it. So after crushing it, after using my grater to grate it, this is what I got. Okay, I will grab my plate and my wig cap. Make sure that you strain this, whether you are blending it or you are grating it. Make sure that you use something that have very tiny hole. You can use a wig cap, stockings or sheep cloths that have very tiny hole because you not like the onion particle to stuck on your hair. That is not good idea. So make sure that you strain this. Okay, but let's talk about the benefit of onion juice on your hair. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, stimulating hair growth, help nourish your hair follicles, improve blood circulation to the scalp, stimulate hair roots which help hair to grow. Onion juice provide extra sulfur to support strong and thicker hair, prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. The sulfur from onion can also help promote collagen production. Collagen help the production of healthy skin cell and hair growth. So after straining, this is my onion juice. Okay, this is my pure onion juice. Moving to the next step is my coffee. Make sure that the coffee you'll be making use of have caffeine on it. Okay, so I'll be making use of 1 full tablespoon of my coffee. So I will turn it, mix it very well. Make sure that everything dissolve, the coffee dissolve into the onion juice. Let's talk a little bit of coffee. Coffee promotes hair growth and reduce hair loss. It stimulates hair shafts, cause the root of the hair to grow longer and stronger. Caffeine in coffee promotes blood flow in the follicles. Using coffee can strengthen hair and speed up hair growth. After mixing them together, I will transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. I'll be showing you 2 best ways to use this on your hair to get best results and boost your hair fast hair growth. So this is my hair. The first method is to use it on your fresh wash hair. I just finished washing my hair. I'm using the first method in this video. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair. After shampooing my hair, I'll follow up with this recipe. Okay, after shampoo your hair, damp your hair, make sure there's no excessive water on your hair and move on to this recipe. Okay, so use this recipe to hydrate your hair, your scalp and the strength of your hair. But the focus, the target is on the scalp because you know hair growth comes from the scalp. Okay, so my focus and my target is on the scalp. After using it to hydrate my hair, I'll follow up with my oil. Make use of any oil of your choice. I'm using my homemade oil, so I'll use it to rub on my scalp and also on the strand of my hair. After then, I will twist that section away and move on to second section. That's how I'll be doing it until I complete this entire hair. So the second method on how to use this also is to use it as a prep. Use it before you shampoo your hair. After preparing the recipe, use it on your hair, spray it on your hair, cover up your hair and leave your hair for 1 hour, 45 minutes or 2 hours. It depends on you. After then, go and shampoo your hair. After shampoo your hair, deep condition your hair. But if you are using the first method, being the one that you shampoo your hair first before you apply it, also after applying it on your hair, cover your hair and leave it from minutes or hours, depend on you. Go and rinse it off and deep condition your hair, continue with your wash day routine. Okay, so if you may ask which method do I prefer, which one is the best for me, I'm speaking up on my own opinion. I like using it after shampooing my hair. Okay, because after shampooing my hair have clean, my scalp have clean, so my hair is open to collect whatever I'm going to apply on it. I'm finding it more benefit on using it on my fresh wash hair than using it as my prepper. So do the one that work for you. This is my own, this is the one that work for me. Use the one that work for you. Okay, so using this every of your wash day. If you always wash your hair once in a week, use this every of your wash day. If you wash your hair once in 2 weeks, also use it. Like I wash my hair once in 2 weeks. Make sure that always use this. If your hair is falling excessively, your hair is thinning, and you want to boost your hair growth, guys, please try this recipe. You're going to see a great result on your hair. It will grow your hair like never before. I'm not kidding. You know, coffee have very powerful effect to grow your hair. Likewise, onion juice also is very powerful in growing your hair. So cooperating these two ingredients, they are so amazing. They'll grow your hair like never before. Okay, so use this any time of your wash day. You're going to see a great result. If you use it consistent for 2 months, your hair will never remain the same. A trial will convince you. So I'm trying to spray the little one that are remaining on my edges and my nipple back of my hair. Okay, so they can get very good benefit of this. So next thing that you're supposed to do that is very important whenever I use this product is to massage your scalp. I always say this on my videos. Scalp massage really help a lot. Scalp massage is very helpful on your hair growth challenge. Okay, on your hair growth journey. If you are not cooperating scalp massage up to this point, you are missing a lot. Please try to be always to massage your scalp whenever you apply products on your hair. So after massaging my scalp, giving myself a gentle scalp massage, I cover up my hair with this cellophane nylon. After using the cellophane nylon, I'll use my shower cap also to cover it up, and use my bonnet also to cover it. I'm going to leave this thing to sit on my hair for 2 to 3 hours, depend on my time. After then, I'll go and rinse it and continue with my wash day routine. Please, if you watch this video up to this point, I have not given this girl a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, it really helps YouTube to put this video to more audience, and also help the channel to grow. Thank you so much. Okay, please, and also if you are not subscribed, also do where to subscribe to join this beautiful amazing family. So this is where I'll be closing today's video. I hope that this video is helpful to you. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.